The saddest season of a mother. There comes a season when a mother no longer knows every detail about her child's life. She may not know what made you smile today, who you talked to, what kept you awake last night, or what little moments made your day a better one. And she understands that you are now a grown up. You grew up and found your own path. Your days became busier and your world became bigger. Still, sometimes when the house feels little quieter, she thinks about you. Not because she wants to hold you back, not because she needs to be part of every decision that you make, but she simply wonders where you are. She hopes you are finding a reason to smile. She hopes you are taking care of yourself. She hopes life is being kind to you. Because motherhood does not end when a child grows up. The role may change, the conversation may become different, and the distance may grow, but the love remains. Sometimes the smallest message, Mom, I am doing okay, and I hope you are also okay. I love you, Mom, can mean more than you'll ever know. My child, my brother, my sister, honor your mother, value your mother. She carried you in her womb. Always love your mother. Always love your mother. She carried you in her womb.